Hey gang, it's Angel here, back with you from Nurse ED 101. Happy New Year to you. I'm excited to be in front of you telling you about our upcoming classes for our NCLEX review / remediation courses for both my LPN and RN students. We've got more classes for 2024 and we've got space right now for you. We're going to give you a dynamic course that's going to be locked with lots of resources with focus on those 8 key categories that the NCLEX tests you on. We're going to give you those test-taking strategies as well as practice them. And we're also going to get into the next-gen case study review. That's important because that's what's changed. So we're going to put all that together in 10 weeks. Again, it's going to be exciting. We meet twice a week, 4 hours weekly, and we're going to just dive in and we're going to do it together. It's a no judgment zone, and it's going to enable you to get more comfortable as well as more confident with taking and passing that NCLEX. So what are you waiting for? We've got space, and if you'd like to just give us a call so we can give you even more details about our course, do so. Give us a call. I'd love to speak with you. Ask for Angel when you call, and we'll go from there. 2024 is going to be an amazing year, and it's going to be including you passing your NCLEX exam.